Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. I am at Hobby Lobby this morning. I kind of just wanted to get out of the house and just kind of walk around a couple of stores. I saw the other day that somebody was at Hobby Lobby and they still have their 40% off, or they're having their 40% off. Now, I don't know if it's like right now or if she was there during their 40% off, but she ended up picking up some of those black and white checkered pumpkins, and I really want to get some of those for my dining room because I think that whole black and white checkered print is so adorably cute and I'm loving it. So I'm kind of thinking that's probably what I'm gonna do in my dining room, and just do like the black white checkered print with like some oranges and purples and greens and stuff like that. Stuff that I have, but just a little extra of few things that I could pick up here and there, whatever. Obviously I don't want to go crazy because we have a couple of huge trips coming up, so I'm just got to be a little careful. And then afterwards I kind of want to stop at TJ Maxx really quick because I want to see if they have any of their Rae Dunn Halloween stuff out, because I really want to try to get some of the Rae Dunn pieces for the season. So let's go ahead to Hobby Lobby and let's go see what we can find and hope maybe that they have stuff on sale. So they do have their 40% off still, which is great. So they don't have the little pumpkins though in the little packages that she got. But I did want another one of these because I actually wanted to put it in the kitchen. Yeah, maybe I'll put that in the kitchen. We'll see. But I don't see any of their other stuff, like the little bags of pumpkins. Like they have these, which is orange and black, which I might get those because I have an idea. And then these are really cute. I hate that they have like really plastic stems. I think I could have left them without the stems, quite honestly, and it probably would have looked just as nice. I like those. Let's see if I can find something else first though. So I came over here to look to see if they had any of those like in the package, and basically what I'm talking about is they had like the black and white pumpkins inside like a package like this, and they were just like a bunch of little black and white pumpkins. Oh, that's cute, little acorns, gourds and stuff. These are really cute pumpkins. Those are really pretty. $13.99. Those are cute. Oh, these are really cute too to put in to display. You get quite a bit in there as well. You get a little succulents. Oh, I like those. Those are nice. I might get those. Those are cute. Alrighty, so I just got back from Publix and I thought I'd share with you guys what I picked up. I picked up some steamed broccoli in a bag, which I didn't realize you could put it in a bag, but I think I can put it in on the oven as well. But anyway, I'm supposed to do this with some chicken, some creamy chicken that I made a couple weeks ago, and Brian loved it, so I want to try to make it again. And then I got some mixed fruit, frozen fruit for smoothies. This one has like strawberry, mango, grapes, peaches in it, and then this one just has mango chunks in it, which is really good. I picked up some avocados, some bananas, some tomatoes, and some grapefruit, and some eggs. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys, because Brian and I are going on this cruise in a little while, in a couple months, we definitely want to start being careful with what we eat. I mean, not that I'm gonna have like this, you know, gorgeous beach cruise body, because that ain't happening. But I do want to look nice, I suppose. So we're gonna try to be as careful as you possibly can with our feeding, with our eating and our consumption of food, and just kind of make it a little bit healthier choices, and not be so piggy out-ish on food, you know, that type of stuff. So I think when everybody goes on a big vacation or a cruise or whatever, they try to want to make, you know, try to eat better and healthier. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Well, that's what we are gonna try to do. Okay, so I don't want those. I was gonna do fish tonight with our veggies. Okay, so yeah, here we go, Pacific cod. So I'm gonna do this fish tonight, which looks really good. And they come in these packets, but they're very small pieces of like cod. Let's see if I could, how many do I need here? Ugh. How many are in here? Can't get it out. Oh, there's 3. Okay, so I'll just make these 3. And usually when I make fish, I love having, making fish, and I like making tacos out of them and putting like a mango salsa on top of them. It's so freaking good. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna end up doing, is just making a taco out of mine. And then last night what I made was, oops, my lid just fell off my butter. Put your lid back on, little butter. I made these veggies. So I had like zucchini and squash, and so I just kind of fried those up a little bit with some broccoli with some, what is that stuff called? Oh my gosh. Brussels sprouts. And I just, you know, put those on the oven and cook those up a little bit, add a little bit of honey to add some sweetness to it, and made them just a little bit brown, so kind of like candied them, and they were so good, and Brian loves those. So I'm gonna do those again tonight because I didn't use the whole packet, and I know those need to be used up really quickly. So I'm gonna do those with the fish tonight. So yeah, dinner should be good. And then I'll show you guys the stuff that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I wanted to show you guys pretty much saw what I picked up when I was there, but I did pick up another table runner. That's going to be for my kitchen on the island. I did pick just one set of these up. It came with a checkered one and an orange one. I kind of have an idea of what I want to use these for. If not, I mean, I'm sure I can find some place to use them if it doesn't work out the way that I'm thinking. And then I did pick up this little set of like pumpkins with some succulents in there. So that's going to like look really pretty. Again, I have an idea of how I want to use those. And then this is the main thing that I had went there for. I was looking for this little bag of pumpkins in this like netting. This was $9.99, again with 40% off. So why was it $11 then? That's interesting. It should have been $6. Oh no, because I got the gum. Ha. Okay, so anyway, $6, $7, $8, $10, $11. So that was $5. Okay. Anywho, so this is what I wanted. And they did not have any more. So after I checked out and was walking out into like their main lobby there, I noticed these sitting on a shelf, and I'm like, ooh, this is what I wanted. So I went over and grabbed them, and I just love them. I think they're just going to look so cute sitting in the dining room, you know, with the black and white checkered. And she actually said that the black and white checkered is so popular right now, which we all kind of, I have stuff up here, a towel, crazy. That's what the towel came in handy for. Anywho, she said the black and white is so popular right now, and no kidding that it is. I think it's gonna kind of be like that buffalo print. It's the red and black, which the black and white is gonna be maybe for like fall and Halloween, where the buffalo print, which is the red and black, is gonna be popular for Christmas time. But, and then my other swimsuit cover-up came in, and I'm gonna open that and show you guys that as well. This one is different than the white one that I got. This one has like a crisscross in the front or back. I'm not exactly sure. This might be the front, the way that it's like looks. But anyway, this is the front, I think. So anyway, it's got a pretty little crisscross in there, and then it's just black and it's just really long. So that's gonna be nice for the pool, or for cruises, or for the beach, or for whatever we are gonna go do. But anyway, so I'm making some lunch right now. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up the house a little bit and just kind of get things back to norm. Just my normal daily routine of stuff. I'm gonna have some lunch, watch 90210, and I'll check back with you guys a little bit later. Guys, so I had my lunch. I'm watching the very first Mamma Mia. Again, obsessed. I watch things repetitively. Anyway, so right now I'm actually gonna put all of the 4th of July stuff away, because today is July 31st, last day of the month. And so I'm starting to put all of this stuff away. So I got out my totes, and that is what I'm gonna be working on right now, is putting this stuff away. And go. this is what I have here. I think I have some more stuff kind of laying around that I needed to like fill in spots. But for now, that's what this is gonna look like. I need to finish putting this stuff away. This stuff is supposed to go outside on my patio table, but it's been like calling for rain, so I haven't wanted to put that stuff out there. But I'm gonna put these candle things away, which I think I had one sitting here. I don't know, let me see. Okay, so I actually added that candle thing back there, and I just kind of put the little froggy back there for now. So that's what this looks like. I need to do something right here because I'm just not feeling that. And like I said, I'm just gonna start putting some of this stuff away now. Alrighty, so I've been pretty busy. I brought out the rest of my pillows for the couch. Quite a lot of pillows, I know. I finished up my mantle over here. I still, like, it's left the way that it was a few minutes ago, but I did clean up this area a little bit. I moved the stuff that goes outside on my table over there. You guys can see it, it's just peeking around the corner. It's just out of the way pretty much. I leave my shoes here because those are the shoes I wear outside back and forth. Let's see, in here I reuse this stuff at Christmas time, so that's why I'm leaving that out. I'm just gonna find a home for it. I'm gonna find a home for these things. This is just a candle holder that I have. I'm gonna find a home for that. I'm gonna find a home for my star. This star basically is for 4th of July, so I will be putting that away. Yeah. So this stuff has got to be obviously cleaned up, so I'll be managing that shortly. Let's go to the guest bedroom, and I'll show you guys what I have going on in there right now. For now, I have my wreaths in this tote. I actually need to get another tote. I know, it's crazy, huh? Another tote that fits my wreaths. So yeah, on my list. And then I have my tote right there full of 4th of July stuff, pillows that are 4th of July related. Those have to go out in the garage, or excuse me, the attic or man cave. And then and here, since I was now able to get to this room, if I'm putting some of the 4th of July stuff in my closet over there, I actually stripped the bed, and I have the sheets in the bed right now washing them. This is where Brian's cousin stayed a couple of weeks ago when they were here. When they come back in September for our cruise, they'll be staying there again. As of right now, I don't think I have any guests coming, but I still wanted to get the bed washed up and fresh for whenever, you know, those unexpected guests might show up. So that bed will be done and ready for my next visitor. And then I actually filled out our applications as well for our passports. Even though we have been told you don't need your passport to go on this cruise, because if you're porting from the United States and you're getting back on the boat for United States or whatever, you don't need your passport, you just need proof of citizenship or your birth certificate or whatever. So we just been wanting to get our passports anyway, so I went ahead and filled out the application. I guess I have to make an appointment now at the post office for the process of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And yeah, I have some laundry here that I need to fold. I have some laundry there that I need to put away. I need to put my heating pad away because I think I'm good now. Yes, progress. I love progress. And that's it, I think. I'm gonna go outside and get the mail, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Why do I say the next episode? Where did that come from? That's new. I will see you guys again. I will see you guys in Wonderland. Ooh, I like that one. I will see you guys in Wonderland. I like that saying. Huh, I like that. Maybe that'll stick, and I'll be like, I'll see you guys in Wonderland.